Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnava
full description of God. So forehand, we read in the previous verses that the devotees also were of four hands. So there is no change in the bodily feature. Purport.
Purport. In the Padma Purana, Uttarakanda, there is a full description of the Yoga Pita, for the particular place where the Lord is an audience to his eternal devotees. In that Yoga Pita, the personifications of religiousness, knowledge, opulence, and renunciation are all seated at the lotus feet of the Lord. The four Vedas, namely Rik, Sama, Yajur, the four Vedas, namely Rik, Sama, Yajus, and Atharva, are present there personally to advise the Lord. The 16 energies headed by Chanda are all present there. Chanda and Kumuda are the two first doorkeepers, and at the middle door there are the doorkeepers named Bhadra and Subhadra, and at the last door there are Jaya and Vijaya. There are other doorkeepers also, named Kumuda, Kumudaksha, Pundarika, Vamana, Shankukarna, Sarvanetra, Sumukha, etc. The palace is well decorated and protected by the above-mentioned doorkeepers.
So everything in detail you'll find the kingdom of God, the nature of that atmosphere, the devotees, the inhabitants, everything is there clearly. So the festival today is murder. The festival?
I don't think it will take place. Because it is supposed to be held in a large park.
So you go to Hawaii? So we go to Hawaii today?
Yes, why not? So you read this verse number 9.
Number 9.
It is not working.
The speaker works, but the reel is not moving. I think that belt is making noise in there. Has it come loose or broken? It often happens with the belts. In Hawaii we can get one.
तस्मै सलोकं भगवान् सभाजितः
तस्मै श्लोकं भगवान् सभाजितः
सन्दर्शयामास परं न यत्परम्
सन्दर्शयामास परं न यत्परं
बपीत संक्लेश विमोह साध्यसम्
यमेष संक्लेशविमोहसाध्वसम्
सदिष्टवद्भिः विविधैरविस्तृतम्
स्वदिष्टवद्भिर्हृदयैरभीष्टितम्
So, discuss this. Tasmai salokam Bhagavan savagi. Sandarsayamas. Sandarsayamas manifested. This is called revelation. When अतः श्री कृष्ण नामादि नभावे ग्राह्यम इंद्रिय God, Krishna, His name, Nam Adi. First realization begins from the name. Therefore, we are chanting the name, and by chanting the name, when our heart will be clean, because we are now in unclean heart. So, Cheta Darpana Marjanam, Parang Vijayati Sri Krishna Sankirtanam, by chanting the holy name, when our hearts will be clean, then everything will be revealed. You cannot understand what is God, what is His name, what is His form, what is His quality. Quality in the Upanishads, the qualities are described as nirguna. Nirguna means not this material quality, but he has got spiritual quality. Nirguna guna bhakti cha in the Bhagavad Gita. He is devoid of all material qualities, but guna bhakti, but he has qualities. That's why here it is described that he is so satisfied with the devotees, Bhakta Vatsal, very much inclined to favor the devotees. This is guna. Here the masters are trying to take more service from the servants. That's all. Their aim is that I will pay him less, I will take service from him more. This is material. But in the spiritual world, simply becoming servant, of course he hasn't got to do anything, because God is complete. What will he have to do there? He doesn't require anyone's service. It is complete. He is not depending on my service. He is complete. Still, there are so many millions of servants there. They are eager to serve. So, simply by that attitude, these things are described, that there is not a single dust in the Vaikuntha world. Everything is clean, but still they are trying to shape, make it clean. Still. This is service attitude. Actually, as Krishna has nothing to do, he is complete. Similarly, his servants there, they also have nothing to do. Everything is nice. It's no question of sweeping or cleansing or cooking. These things are not required. But still, they are ready to serve. And Krishna and Narayan is very favorably looking upon them. Abhimukham, Drig, what is that? Drig Asavam. Drig Asavam. Asavam means intoxication. Intoxication. It's like when one is intoxicated, his eyes are in Bengal it's called dhululu. Not a staring, but very mild, smiling. Digasam. Vitta prasadam, Vitta prasadabhimukham digasam. Abhimukham. Glancing over the devotee, very mildly, softly. Prasanna, smiling so nicely that immediately you can understand that the master is pleased. Prasanna. So there is no question of displeasure. That is Vaikuntha. There is no discrepancy of the service. Just opposite. Here, there just different things. The master is not satisfied and the servant is also not satisfied. Servant, you go on paying him more and more. No, it is insufficient. Give me more. I will strike, I will not come, I will not work. This is position of this material world. Everyone is giving service. Apart from master and servant, even in family, the man is giving service throughout his whole life, up to the old age. And ask anybody, any member of the family, you are satisfied? No. This is frustration. Gandhi, he gave service to the country to the best capacity and people appreciated. He was called Mahatma, so on, but he was killed. He was killed. So, here, you go on rendering service to your society, country, family or anyone. You cannot satisfy them. It is not possible. They not, because this place is like that. Insufficiency. So this service, here in this material world, service means neither master or servant. Service means to the senses. That's all. We are servant of our senses. We give service to the master, not to the master. I give service to the money, he pays me. Not to the master. I have no love for the master. Here anyone goes to the office or goes to service, he does not, he has no business to give service to a certain man. But because he will pay, that means he gives to the service to the money. And why he gives service to the money? Because it is required for my sense gratification. Therefore ultimately I give service to my senses. The so-called service to the society, friendship, love, country, nation, they are all bogus. I give service to my senses. sense gratification, that's all. Therefore, here, service means service to my sensuous kama, lust. Kamadina, kam. First of all, I am lusty. Therefore, anyone who does not require money, he does not go to give service. So, because I am lusty, I require some money to fulfill my lusty desires, I go to service. So therefore, kamadinam kutidhana kutida. And I give service to a man, if he proposes that I will give you $5,000, you go and kill that man. Or I will do immediately. I will go, because I want money. Actually happening, when the president is killed. Why the president is killed? You can hire anyone and kill anyone, especially in Western countries. So, I want money, so even something which I should not have done, if it is ordered, you do this, I give you this money, I will do it, because I want money. Without money I cannot satisfy my senses. So this is your position. Kamadinam kutidhana kutidaya. And even just like this man who killed President Kennedy, he was also killed. So, although he accepted to kill President, which he should not have done, but still the man who paid him or engaged him, he was not satisfied, he also killed him. This is the position. Even if you do something abominable, still the man for whom you are doing, he will not be satisfied. He can kill you. This is why. This is the sense of service here in this world. Try to understand. Practically, this is all bogus. But I give service because I am lusty, I am hungry, I want to satisfy my senses, therefore I force myself. Oh, I will give you service, I will become Prime Minister and I will give you so much service, he'll canvass. But as soon as he goes to the post of Prime Minister, he'll do nothing. You cannot see. If you want to see him, while taking votes, he'll come to your door, please give me vote. And when he is in the Prime Minister post, if you want to see him, the Prime Minister is preoccupied, he cannot see him. So on the whole, simply sense gratification in the name of service. Here, in the Vaikuntha, the service is not like that. There is nothing to do. And still, the servants are ready. All of them. They are simply waiting for the order. The master is self-sufficient. He hasn't got to order anyone. This is business. And here, this is the opposite. Kamadinam katidhana katidha palita dunnidesa. So we are serving most abominably. Sometimes we do things which I should not have done, but still, because I want money, because I want to gratify my senses, I give service. Even very sinful service I give. But still, neither I am satisfied, neither the master is satisfied. This is the position. Everyone is trying to give. The politicians or any, here they give you the example. Gandhi throughout the whole life gave service, but there are some persons who are not satisfied. It is not possible. Therefore, the sensible man should consider that what is the use of this service? Just like this Vivekananda Society, or there is Narayan Seva. So Daridras are lying on the street, but they collect money in the name of serving the poor, and they live very comfortably. Big belly. All the sannyasis, eating and sleeping and doing everything, all nonsense. But they are collecting money, they have no other source. We don't say that we are collecting money for Narayan Seva. No. We collect money directly for serving Krishna. We say that we have got our Krishna, we have to serve, we have to do this, kindly give us a contribution, or we take this book. We never say that we are going to serve the Daridra Narayan. Our Narayan is not Daridra. Daridra means poor. Here, our Narayan is this guy. Our Narayan is God. Here it is Tatra Akila Sattatang Pating, Siyat Pating, Jagga Pating, Jagat Pating. He is not Daridra. How he can be poor? He is Jagat Pating, he is a master, he is Lord, he is the proprietor of all universes. Jagat Pating. Siyat Pating. He is the husband of the goddess of fortune. So how can he poor? Let's see how they concoct word. There is no Narayan. Simply bogus. Here it is stated that God is Sriyapati. Sriya means all opulences, all riches, all fame, all strength. He is a master of Sriyapati, Jaggapati, Bhaktaram Jaggapasam Sadalukumai Jaggapati. Jagga means who accepts only, sacrifices. Jaggapati and Jagatpati. This is the description of the Lord. How he can be poor. But they describe it. Daridra Narayan. Where from this word was concocted. So this is going on. Very what is called awkward position in this material world. In the name of service, so many nonsense things are going on. In the name of worshipping God, so many nonsense things are going on. Therefore, the conclusion should be Kamadinam katidhana katidha palita dunnidisa Tisam kurunanamai jata. In the material world you can go on serving throughout the whole life. You will never be satisfied. Not trapa. Neither they will say, oh wow, you have given sufficient service. Now, don't prepare. Stop. No, go on. Natrapanopasanti. Therefore, a sane man should conclude, why shall I be engaged in this nonsense service? Why not to give service to Krishna? This should be the conclusion. Why I shall be engaged in this nonsense service? Why? Without giving any service. Bhitta prasadavi mukham vivasabam. The Lord is always prepared to bless His servant. He doesn't take any service. There is no need of service. Still, please, prasanna heart. Prasanna, please. He doesn't require any service. But he says, why not accept this master? Why you are upon the Vitta servant? Vitta prasada. Prasanna, he always pleased. Prasanna Hasa Aruna, Aruna Lochanananam. This is God. He doesn't require any service. Still, if you, someone rather if you approach that with this service attitude only, because you cannot approach God in challenging mode. Therefore Krishna says, surrender first of all. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. This is bhakti. If you surrender, then Krishna says, aham tva sarvupapi bhamokkhusya. We suffer on account of our sinful activity. So here everything is sinful. Anything you do in this material world, that is sin. Even your so-called service to the society, country, they are also sinful. Chaitanya Chaitamrita says, that Daitya Bhadra Bhadra Sakali Sama. This material world is so polluted. Everything is polluted here. So here we have divided, this is nice and this is bad. This is simply mental concord. There is nothing good here. Everything is bad. That should be the conclusion. But we have divided, this is very good and this is very bad. Everything is very bad. There is no question of good, because there is no connection of God. So here is the picture of God. Vitta prasada vimukham jigasabam. Vitta prasada, he is always ready to bless the servant. Just like the father. Here you have got some little examples. Father and mother. Without any service from the child, he is always ready to bless. Always. He does not take any offense. Simply father, mother is ready. That is the natural. And nowadays father and mother is also killing. Killing in the womb. You see. Killing in the womb. A child has taken shelter in the womb of a mother. And mother is going to the doctor how to kill it. You see. This is the position of the world. And here the Supreme Father, Prasanna Hasa Gunalotana, always ready. So why not take this master? Why not accept this father? Why you are after all this nonsense? That is Krishna consciousness. Take the right. Don't be misled by the nonsense, and that's it. So, any questions?
It says his chest was marked with the lines of the goddess of fortune. That's
Yes, there are some marks on the chest. Shiva's song. That is the distinction between God and the living entity.